Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, before I get started, to those that are yet to subscribe, please do me a favor by clicking on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. You can also click on the bell notification button so you'll be able to get an update whenever I post. So we will be looking at S&P 500 or our SPY stocks. Similarly, they move, the same way, right? So we will be looking at US 500, which is also known as S&P 500, right? So I mean, take a look at the food trend, especially when you look at it on the weekly time frame. The food trend, the overall trend is literally a downtrend move. No doubt about that. So for this week, we have to roll out to the down daily time frame. You can see this is clear what this is clearly a downtrend move. So you can see lower lows, a correction here, another lows. This is a correction. After this lows, what do you expect? We are expecting another drop. So basically, this is exactly what is playing out. So this week, we would expect more drop on US 500. I can assure you that this week we will close bearish on US 500. No doubt about that. S&P 500 will close bearish this week. But at the same time, we need to be very, very careful because major news is coming this week, right? Let's take a look at the news that will be coming out for this week. We will take a look, no news on Monday, Tuesday. We will be expecting major news on Wednesday, and you can see it FOMC economic projection. We are expecting FOMC statements, which means there's going to be a lot of volatility that day. Crazy movements is exactly what we will be expecting that day. We will be expecting news on federal fund rates, especially the fund rate is expected, interest rate is expected to be increased from 4.75 to 5%, right? So we also be expecting FOMC press conference. Then Thursday, we would also be expecting another important news, which is unemployment claims, which will be very, very crazy move that day. And also Friday. So basically, we when you have analyzed the news, and what one thing I'll be able to point out is that we would actually close bearish on US 500. But the thing is that price is very much likely to give us a back and forth movement. I mean, kind of like a liquidation or liquidity movement is very much likely to play out, right? So this price will be crazy. Coupled with the fact that we are having some problem on this bank stuff and everything, economic stuff. So we need to be very, very careful before you go ahead and sell. So if in case you're interested, right, I want you to actually become one of my Patreon subscriber, right? We major on Nasdaq 100, US 500, S&P 500, especially we major most on these three. Then we now go ahead and go major on gold, natural gas, and if there's a good setup on any other currency pairs, we would share it now. See some of the trade that you actually took last week. I'm going to share a link. I'll put the link to this couple of trade we took last week. Now, see one of the for March 30, we took a trade on Nasdaq 100. We profited from it. For March 15, the second trade on Nasdaq 100 we took, we profited from it. You can see the third one, which is March 16 on Nasdaq 100, you profited. So three trade on Nasdaq 100 you actually profited from. You can also check this channel, check the playlist. You see a couple of trade on Nasdaq 100 you actually took. You can go there, watch it, and you'll be able to confirm that we actually add more profit. Same thing with our US 500 and same thing with US 30, right? We all know that these stocks in this is they kind of move alike. So basically, I'm going to be covering more, especially on US 500 on the Patreon channel. That is with just 20 USD, you can actually get it and you get it. You can give it a try for just a month, then you see if you are going to give you a good trade. Now, this US 500, like I said, a drop is very much likely to play out, but I think kind of like a push up will play out before a drop, or price can start dropping. And I'm going to go in depth in this and cover it more. That is in the Patreon channel. Once you become my Patreon subscriber, you'll get access to it.